don't think I'm ever gonna sleep again.
You didn't like their show?
That was creepy.
So we haven't done a vlog for a while, and it was super rainy today, right beside a highway here. So we're gonna check out a Kelowna mainstay, which is Scandia Golf and Games. It's been here like 30, 40 years.
Yeah.
So maybe we'll see a little 80s nostalgia in here.
I'm gonna destroy you.
Kale's gonna destroy me.
Totally.
Probably can't do the outdoor video, or outdoor mini golf and
Do you think?
go-karts though. Okay, so we're gonna try the jungle golf. Jungle golf. Okay, the downstairs golf was super busy, so we're gonna do the outdoor courses, which is pretty damn nice.
Hey, how do I do this?
Alright,
I don't remember how to hold this thing.
you show me how you think to hold it. That's pretty close. First game Kale wants to play is Pong.
Dang, this thing's fast! Holy! This is intense!
Oh!
Why is it?
Run, 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 run! Run, 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 run!
Ah!
You're winning! You won!
That was the best round!
Bonus tickets, 250.
Whoop, whoop, whoop. Okay, Dad, we
They're
gotta,
still going.
Okay, you gotta leave it. Because we're gonna play this.
Still going.
We gotta play this.
Apparently I am the Space Invader god. Hey, Kale found one game he has to play. What game, Kale? Mortal Kombat. Scorpion wins. Finish her. Oh, that's a lame finishing move. One of the things that Scandia has here is a little piece of 1980s history. Showbiz Pizza. If you ever remember those commercials.
It's tough being a kid. Fancy parties, scratchy clothes, and you have to smile no matter what.
Oh, give Auntie a big kiss.
See what I mean?
But at Showbiz Pizza, you can act like a kid. You can have more fun than you ever did. You can giggle, you can wiggle, you can flip your lid. Showbiz Pizza, where a kid can be a kid.
They actually purchased one of these Rock Afire Explosion stage show things, and they're gonna turn it on for us. There you go. The Showbiz Bear. Do you remember that? Can you watch that stuff, Kim? What's that, Gail?
I don't think I'm ever gonna sleep again.
You didn't like their show?
That was creepy.
That's from the 1980s pizza place called Showbiz Pizza. It's kind of like Chuck E. Cheese. So what did you think of Scandia, Kale?
It was pretty good.
It was pretty fun. Definitely easy to spend $100 here pretty quick. Yeah, but it's definitely good afternoon when the weather is like crummy like this.
It's raining and I'm not wearing a sweater.
Oh, now you're gonna get cold. All right, see you next week.